morning. I'm really not feeling well today, so this will not be a long video. My name is Calamity Dane, but those who I trusted more than others knew me as Calvin DeWitt. As of today, October 31st, Samhain 2025, I weigh 158 pounds. At the end of September, I was 178. I weighed 140 when I was 15 years old, and that was before I had all of the muscles that I earned working at ranches, and that I have clearly lost due to starvation and malnutrition. I have severe gastroparesis, which means my stomach doesn't empty. Well, in 2024, my stomach emptied less than 50% after 4 hours. It's supposed to be completely empty. My pelvic floor is shot, so not literally. It's gobbledygook, and I don't really have these muscles left anymore. So when my colon gets too full, because I have Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, it just extends. I needed physical therapy 4 times a month just to go to the bathroom, but it costs $800, and I was surviving on $1,500 a month. So you can kind of see that it wasn't really feasible. I come from a very rich family, and I've been the canary in the coal mine with them for decades now, whether it was for my grandmother who had Alzheimer's, or for COVID, or Black Lives Matter. I've been trying to get my family to pull their heads out of the sand, but they just pushed them in harder. And even as I was dying, they were asking me what my goals were in life, when they didn't have the compassion to know me. They just wanted to brag about what I did. Because I've been to national exhibitions, regional. I've been to Cambridge for school, and I've been a writer, composer, and an artist since I was a little kid. I was the oldest of 3 kids, and since I was the oldest, I was the daughter, I had to take care of everybody. I didn't get a choice, hence the body falling apart. And even my baby brother saw me as a caregiver, but didn't think he owed me anything, when I never owed him being a caregiver. He's going to be a nurse now. That's what I think of people who choose to help others instead of helping their family. I'm not scared to die because of my own fears. I was suicidal for a long time due to my health issues and fearing it getting worse. And that has not been the experience for the past 2 years. But my family just said I tried to kill myself to be cruel. Not that I was suffering. So they've never, ever listened. I'm not scared because on the other side, my son and daughter wait for me, Starsky and Lucky Maxine, who are disabled in very similar ways to me. And it was because of that I was willing to sit with them till the very end. This past Christmas, my therapy dog Ripley passed away, and my brothers didn't want to come and sit with her because I was doing a living wake so she could be praised for all of the good she had done. But they didn't want to see her like that. So I know they were never going to see me. And I've cried many times this year as I came to the realization I wasn't going to say goodbye. We don't get choices in this life. It's often presented as a choice. Like, oh, if you just talk to your family more, they would show up for you. My life was literally threatened after Charlie Kirk died, and my brother was like, what do you want me to do? Acknowledge it? Yeah, that could be a start. Maybe not making me feel like shit for being scared could also be a start. That was after he had said, if you need anything, sound the alarms. So I did. And I told him that I regretted doing it. And he tried to console me and go, no, it's okay, you just didn't know. We'll be there next time. There won't be a next time, Ian. You lost my faith a long time ago. You crashed my hope into a wall over and over again and then kept telling me to build another boat. Fuck you, no. Eventually, I'm going to start taking care of myself and my pets and leave you the fuck alone. Some people fuck around and find out. I didn't have to fuck around, but I was constantly finding out. What I do fear is my pets, my children, who are alive now, not having me anymore. I fear what will happen to them. I fear they will not be treated as well as they are with me. Because I've never been able to find someone who could take care of them afterwards. Everyone who said they would help were just saying it to get me to shut up. I get it, you're scared. We can't do anything for you. We won't let you fall. Well, I'm already in the hole. Can you just help me up? I'm starving. Can you help me get food that I can eat, my body can digest? Why don't you just eat fresh fruits and veggies? That's healthy for you, for your body. Not my disabled body. Our daily bread here in town. I've been there to try and get food because I was on SNAP and I needed help with food. And I wasn't allowed to get what I could eat. I had to take something from everything. But I couldn't eat everything. And it just sat in my house until finally I gave it away to someone because I couldn't stand looking at all the food that I couldn't eat. Do you know what's torture? Forcing someone to buy food or get food that they can't eat. And then telling them, well, you have food. I don't see what your problem is. I literally don't have the energy for this. So this is where this video is going to have to end off. That I was the yellow canary in the coal mine, and I was screaming, and I was singing, and I was dancing, and I was just trying to get anyone to give a shit, to do something. But it was always on the canary to fix everything.